Alright, I'm going to go over the featured slider and all the options that we have to go along with it. And to start everything off, I'm going to go over how to make the version 1 and version 2 interchangeable, which is the showing and hiding on the hover with the thumbnails. And it's pretty simple to do. I'm going to jump in, we'll just jump straight in to the index.html file, edit that one and make that one look like the version 2. I have the files right here on my desktop and we'll pull them up. It's just the index.html file, like I said. And we'll scroll down to the featured slides area, featured slider, and the code for this is actually at the bottom of everything. It's kind of far, you gotta scroll down. And I have it included already. I just commented the section out. You kind of notice it's in this bluish color, depending on what your HTML editor is. And it's labeled View Hide Thumbnail JavaScript. And we can just remove these commented areas. It's just right there and then at the end. And we can save that. And if you're unsure how the comments work, you can just open up version 2 and just copy the code over. It's just easier to do it like this for right now. And then we can refresh our home page, and now it's exactly like version 2, which is pretty cool. So that's all you need to do to make your menu show hide on hover, which is pretty nice because you can just, if you change your mind later on, all you need to do is just comment it out or just remove the code right there, save it, refresh the page, and you're back to having the menu just always available, which is very nice. Okay, so that's how to do that, and then how to change other options. So all the other options to change the slider are under jQuery.exposure.min.js. So I'll just go to the file and show you. It's a little hard to say the name. It's not exactly a proper file name. So it's in the JS folder, and as I said before, it's basically the exposure.js file, to keep it simple. And we'll plop that open. And there's a lot of JavaScript in there, but basically the only JavaScript that you need to worry about is at the top. And I commented all the sections out for you that really make any sense. So, for example, slideshow delay is how long between the slides. So right now it's 5 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so here's one that might be a little confusing. It's image controls true. So what that does is there's these next and previous arrows, and currently they go next and previous slide. But if we turn this to false, they go next and previous page. So here I'll show you real quick. See how instead of next and previous slide, they go next and previous page. So yeah, that's just an example of one of the options on how to change everything. As I said, there's just a ton of options in there. That's where to find them. Here's another thing I'll just show real quick, and that's how to add a caption. We'll add a caption to the first image. Currently, if we go to the first page, there's no caption on the first image. To add a caption, we just add a div of caption area. I'm just going to copy it from below into the list item, and we go, I'll change the text, added a caption. Let's save that right there and refresh the page, and we have a caption in the first slide this time. And that's all you have to do to add captions.